Hi guys, so it's Tuesday and you guys know I'm in my favorite place and with some of my favorite four-legged family members. Meet Alexis. Not Alexis Keratin, because I actually think she's much sexier and prettier. So Alexis is 4.5 years old. She's been here for a couple weeks because her mommy had health issues and couldn't care for her. She's super sweet. She's been in a home with kids, but let's see what Lexi can do. Come on, Lexis, come on. Come on, Lexis. Come on, show them what you can do. Show them, go down, Lexis. Show them. Well, Lexis, like, forget it. I would rather just sit up and eat my tea. You're going to give me a paw, Alexis? No? She likes chicken. That I'll tell you. But Alexis is a little pity mix. She's super ridiculously sweet. Like, oh my gosh. Do you see this face? Look at this face. So if you want a brown dog one day, you can like that, a little brindle. And then Lexis can turn and be a completely white Snow White princess on this side. So would you guys please be so kind and share? She doesn't like being in here. She's a little stressed being in the kennel. So I'd really appreciate just a little extra effort on this one to share. She can be with kids, so we're good with that. But I would be so honored if you would share on your Facebook and your social programs. Come here, Lexi. Yes, her's a sweet girl. She's super sweet. So thank you so much for your help in getting all of these little lovers homes. And let's make sure that 2018 is the best year yet. Thank you.